In this second installment, we will give you the next batch of food for surefire weight loss. Without further ado, let's begin. Peppers. Hot, spicy chili peppers fall into the same category as hot mustard, Henry says. He studied them under the same circumstances as the mustard and they worked just as well. A mere 3 grams of chili peppers were added to a meal consisting of 766 total calories. The pepper's metabolism-raising properties worked like a charm, leading to what Henry calls a diet-induced thermic effect. It doesn't take much to create the effect. Most salsa recipes call for 4 to 8 chilies, that's not a lot. Peppers are astonishingly rich in vitamins A and C, abundant in calcium, phosphorus, iron and magnesium, high in fiber, free of fat, low in sodium and have just 24 calories per cup. Potatoes. We've got to be kidding, right? Wrong. Potatoes have developed the same fattening rap as bread, and it's unfair. Dr. John McDougal, director of the Nutritional Medicine Clinic at St. Helena Hospital in Deer Park, California, says, an excellent food with which to achieve rapid weight loss is the potato, at 0.6 calories per gram or about 85 calories per potato. A great source of fiber and potassium, they lower cholesterol and protect against strokes and heart disease. Preparation and toppings are crucial. Steer clear of butter, milk and sour cream, or you'll blow it. Opt for yogurt instead. Rice. An entire weight loss plan, simple called the rice diet, was developed by Dr. William Kempner at Duke University in Durham, North Carolina. The diet, dating to the 1930s, makes rice the staple of your food intake. Later on, you gradually mix in various fruits and vegetables. It produces stunning weight loss and medical results. The diet has been shown to reverse and cure kidney ailments and high blood pressure. A cup of cooked rice contains about 178 calories, approximately 1/3 the number of calories found in an equivalent amount of beef or cheese. And remember, whole grain rice is much better for you than white rice. Soups. Soup is good for you. Maybe not the canned varieties from the store, but old-fashioned, homemade soup promotes weight loss. A study by Dr. John Forate of Baylor College of Medicine in Houston, Texas, found that dieters who ate a bowl of soup before lunch and dinner lost more weight than dieters who didn't. In fact, the more soup they ate, the more weight they lost. And soup eaters tend to keep the weight off longer. Naturally, the type of soup you eat makes a difference. Cream soups or those made of beef or pork are not your best bets. But here's a great recipe. Slice 3 large onions, 3 carrots, 4 stalks of celery, 1 zucchini and 1 yellow squash. Place in a kettle. Add 3 cans crushed tomatoes, 2 packets low-sodium chicken bouillon, 3 cans water and 1 cup white wine, optional. Add tarragon, basil, oregano, thyme and garlic powder. Boil, then simmer for an hour. Spinach. Popeye really knew what he was talking about, according to Dr. Richard Shekel, an epidemiologist at the University of Texas. Spinach has the ability to lower cholesterol, rev up the metabolism and burn away fat. Rich in iron, beta-carotene and vitamins C and E, it supplies most of the nutrients you need. Tofu. You just can't say enough about this health food from Asia. Also called soybean curd, it's basically tasteless, so any spice or flavoring you add blends with it nicely. A 2.5 square has 86 calories and 9 grams of protein. Experts suggest an intake of about 40 grams per day. Tofu contains calcium and iron, almost no sodium and not a bit of saturated fat. It makes your metabolism run on high and even lowers cholesterol. With different varieties available, the firmer tofus are good for stir-frying or adding to soups and sauces while the softer ones are good for mashing, chopping and adding to salads. Hey! There's more to come. In the next video, the third batch of food for effective and surefire weight loss. Just stay tuned. This is Self-Enhancement. If you find this video valuable, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, have a great day.